We build plastic injection molds and metal injection molds for the primarily the medical industry. A lot of original equipment manufacturers located here in the Twin Cities, as well as throughout the U.S.
Well, I think every company has their niche. Every company that's still surviving has their niche. We look at very precision, very small parts as one of our mainstays of how we do our business. Anything that gets pretty complex, we like that.
Well, I think what our customers value in us most is the experience and knowledge that we bring, the quality that we provide. Most of our relationships are long-lasting.
We have the two distinct disciplines of not only designing and building the molds, but we can then do the manufacturing, right up the packaging of plastic parts. And not all companies have that ability. Usually they're focused on one area or the other. We have focus on both, and that helps us quite a bit.
Technology has allowed us to do a lot of different things. The lead times and the costs have been continuing to drive down and down.
The machines, definitely the capabilities have changed a drastic amount. It's amazing to see what they can do now, what kind of tolerances we can hold and what kind of products we can make that far surpass what we could do 15, 20 years ago.
With the equipment we have at our disposal, I mean, the equipment we have costs more than people's houses for a single piece of equipment, and that's because it's amazing. It produces things so fastly and so accurately and so cleanly. We're essentially working in a lab. We're not working in a garage.
As we advance our technology and use more automation and better quality machines, we need more skilled, educated, intelligent people that can run those machines. You know, in the last few years, with the economy being tighter, it's been tougher to focus on education because, you know, a lot of companies have been fighting for survival and a lot of companies haven't survived, but the ones that have focused on trying to improve their company internally and looking at developing their people through education, I think those are the companies that are going to survive.
The fact of the matter is, without good employees, we don't have much of a company. So they are number one.
Our business is focused on, especially in the medical industry, and Minnesota is definitely a hotbed for the medical device industry, especially in the Twin Cities here. So that's definitely favorable to be located in Minnesota.
I think it's important for the United States to be able to produce things besides just have great ideas.
You know, it's easy to say that most everybody would agree, hey, I can make a difference in the world, a difference in people's lives because I'm making products that are in the medical field. But when you go to the doctor's office and you see the product for a mold you built or one that you were involved with right there hanging on the wall or that it's used, it's kind of enlightening. It's exciting. You realize you're part of you're part of something that you can be proud of.